my school, except one teacher, no any teacher speaks English. Before coming in this tuition, think that English language is very hard, but after coming on this tuition, it is very easy to learn. I play 5 matches of karate. Three golds and one silver and one bronze medal. They were at 12 years and I was 8-9 years. I learned at Darbhanga in Mishra Karate Academy. He played 2 matches in which he won.
That's really incredible. Hello and welcome to Learn English with Fun Classes, everyone. Today we are going to record podcast number 2, in which I have invited these two students named Pari Bharati and Astha. In this video today, we will be here talking in English, each and everything. And by watching this video, what are the benefits that you guys will get if you watch this video till the end? Well, we are going to discuss what are the new challenges that they have faced when they joined here for spoken English. What are the new challenges? What every single learner has to face? Every single learner has to face when they come to speak English, when they come here and join the class for speaking English. Well, this is not the problem of a single person. This happens with everyone. So we will talk about all the experiences, all the challenges, and how to overcome over all those challenges. These students will suggest a lot of ways by which you also can develop a great communication skills, and along with that you can improve your English speaking fluency. By the way, thank you so much for joining us in this video, and I hope you all will watch this video till the end, because that's gonna be very beneficial for each of you. So we are going to start this, and we'll start this with Pari. Pari, can you please give your brief introduction?
My name is Pari Bharti. I read in class 5th and I am a student of Indian Science School. Thank you, that's all.
My name is Astha Anupam. I read in class 7th in DAV Public School and I live at Behar, Jhanjharpur. Thank you, that's all.
Alright. Astha, as you understand that DAV is a brand, right? DAV is a brand. Not in Jhanjharpur only, it is a brand everywhere. So, what is the English environment there? Like, do you get all the teachers are speaking English, all the students are speaking English, or what is the situation there at your school?
In my school, except one teacher, no any teacher speaks English, and except me and senior classes, no any students speak English, and more than half of the students of my school participated in sports and other activities, not in study. Thank you.
So they are participating more in sports, not in study. All right. What is the situation of your school? I mean, that's a general question that I'm asking you, Pari. You are from Indian Science School, right? Okay. So in your school, does everyone speak in English?
No, the senior class are speaking English, like 7th class, 8th and 9th also.
Okay. So these students speak in English. And what about your teachers? While teaching, they use English language or Hindi language or any other language?
Like English teacher. So English teacher are use English language in teaching.
Okay, so they use English language. That's really beautiful, and that's really a good thing to know about this Indian Science School. All right. So my next question will be, Pari, that what are your hobbies? I mean, you are in 5th class right now and you're studying here how to speak in English, how to talk in English. What are your hobbies, by the way?
My hobby are doing study and sometimes I play also.
Sometimes I play also. What do you like to play?
I play in school Kho.
Okay, you are a big fan of Kho. What about yours? I mean, what games do you like, Astha? Keep it.
I like volleyball, karate, and table tennis.
Okay, so you have an idea of karate as well. Like, so how do you know karate? Like, have you learned everything there at school or somewhere else?
I learned at Darbhanga in Mishra Karate Academy, not in my school.
Does your school provide you the opportunity, the platform to perform your karate skills?
Yes, but in I go to cluster, all students school give them a kit and dress, but my school did not give me kit and dress.
Alright, I hope when somebody is from DAV Jhanjharpur is watching this videos, they should provide or they should help students to get or to assemble the kit wherever they are required. Alright, it might take charges as well, right? That's very expensive, I guess, right? So we are not, we are like students are also supposed to participate and contribute some amount of money to grab that kit, right? Okay, Pari, what challenges, like, do you feel English language is easy or hard?
English language is hard, but I understood English language is very easy.
Why?
Why? Because because I try to speak English, so that is easy for me.
Okay. What do you think, Astha? English language is simply just a language, right? Just a language. What do you think? What is your opinion about English? Is it really hard, or that's very easy to learn here at Learn English with Fun classes?
If anybody wants to learn English, so it is easy. But anybody not wants to learn English, so it is hard for him or her.
Him, yeah, her. All right, him or her. Thank you. What do you think about yourself? I mean, what is your opinion? It is easy or hard, and why?
Before coming in this tuition, I think that English language is very hard. But after coming on this tuition, I feel very happy and it is very easy to learn.
Thank you. Why do you think that you feel very happy at this coaching? You feel that English is very easy language. When you came here, it was very difficult for you, but now it is very easy for you. What did you get here, and how can you say that at this coaching it is very easy for you to learn?
Because at my first day I saw that all students say their topics in English and the students talks each other with English.
Okay.
So I
All right, Pari, as you all understand, as you also understand that we have so many different activities here at the coaching classes, right? So what is your opinion about activities? Are they really important for anyone, those who want to speak English, or it is not important? What do you think?
It is important
Why it is important?
because because if they are learning English, so it is easy to learn English, and it is a easy way.
So by activities, it is very easy for somebody to learn English, right? Okay, thank you. What is your opinion, Asta? Like, what do you think? Activities are important for improving English language or not? Take it.
activity is a easy way to learn English. That a junior student of class 1 to also learn small things of English by activity.
But specifically, we are speaking about the activities which we are doing in these classes, right? So, what is your opinion about those activities? Are they really helpful for you or not?
Yes, they are helpful for me. Some days before, you organize an activity of to ask the way to anywhere to
For the direction.
for the
For
direction.
asking for the direction in English.
Yes. So I ask a man to ask a woman to any way of because in the morning I did not find any auto.
Okay.
So I asked to a woman to where I found the auto.
So in practically, in reality, you did it outside?
Yes.
Where did you do this?
At Lengda Chowk, and then when I ask the woman, then the auto will come.
Auto came. So what was the reaction of that woman? I mean, she replied you asked that in English?
No, because the woman is old woman.
So what? Like, you asked in English or in Hindi or Maithili?
I asked in Hindi because she does not know the meaning of
Okay.
English.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Pari, how is your experience or how is your improvement since you have joined this coaching?
I have no confidence, but but in but in
These days.
but in these days I have very confidence, much confidence.
Okay.
Thank
You have much confidence, not very confidence. Only much confidence. Okay. By the way, very confidence is incorrect. That's why she corrected. इसलिए उन्होंने correct किया था. Anyways, Astha, you have not spent here even a month, right? So the same question goes to you as well. What do you think? Your first day experience and your today's understanding level and each and everything. How much difference do you see?
At my first day, I feel awkward and shy, but after the day, I feel no awkward and shy because Santosh Sahu sir teach very confidently. Then I inspire from him.
Thank you. Who is this Santosh Sahu sir? Okay, are you talking about me? Okay, thank you. So, my few questions are left actually. I am very interested to know about your karate skills, right? Can you please share, like, have you ever participated in any karate matches?
Yes.
So, can you please share us some experiences about all this?
At my first match, I went to Patna, and my brother is also there. And uh, in those days, I was in KVS in Darbhanga at one class. In KVS, the class start with one class, and I am in one class, and my opponent is in class UKG, but she is very tall.
She was very tall.
She was very tall and healthy, and I am very
I was very weak.
yes.
Okay.
And then I also play karate with her, and she
She won the match.
won the match.
Okay.
I play 5 matches of karate, and I have two gold and three golds and one silver and one bronze medal.
Hey, very nice. I'm very proud of you.
No,
Alright,
it's
then-
not my because
It's
I
not
am
yours. What do you mean by this?
because I am very small, and my age is very low
Okay.
in those times, and there is no my opponent there of my age.
So, what was the age of your opponent?
She is 10 years old, and I am 6-7 years old.
So, still you won the match.
Yes.
Hey, very nice. So that's what I'm saying. The next person was at or was elder than you, but still.
There is no opponent of my age, so the championship was winning by me.
Okay. So you did not get chance to play the match. Without playing match, you won that. My God. Anyways, so you did not get chance to participate in any of the matches.
No, except one match, I play all the matches.
Okay, this happened with only one match where you won the gold.
Yes.
Okay, and what about other few matches?
I won gold, silver, and bronze.
Okay, they were at your age?
No,
They were at what age?
they were at 12 years, and I am of 9. I was 9 years old.
Okay. Does your brother also know all this? Karate?
Yes,
He knows. He has played some matches.
Yes, he played two matches in which he won bronze and silver.
Oh my god, that's really incredible. All right, what about you, Pari? Do you know how to play karate? All right, as you said that your brother also knows karate skills, right? And you also are very good at it. Have you ever fought with your brother for chocolate, for nonsense things at home, and you have shown your karate skills?
Yes, but in karate, the opponent cannot touch her or his opponent. But my brother and I beats each other by the karate skills. For I eat with this spoon. I eat in this dish.
Okay, so for nonsense things, you guys, whenever you fight at home, you use your karate skills. Does your father also know karate?
No.
He doesn't know.
No.
Okay, what does your father do, by the way?
My father is a teacher.
Okay, your father is a teacher. What suggestions would you like to give to the next person if he or she wants to improve spoken English?
First, if any video is uploaded on this channel, you see the video and talk to each other in your family in English, and also with your friends, and any sentence which you don't have to speak, then you go to this channel and see any video and you learn it. Talk to each other with English, with your family and your friends, and your school with your teachers. And if your school is school teachers are not spoken English, then your teacher feels shy that the student will talk English, but I didn't
Yes,
talk
yes, yes, yes.
English, and then he or she started to speak English with students.
All right, thank you. So you should not wait for the right time. That's the right time whenever you think that you have to understand, you have to speak English. That's the right time, that's the perfect time when you have to speak, when you have to start speaking English. Do not wait for the right chance, right? That never comes basically. You have to make that time very perfect for you. You have to work for yourself. All right, then we will see you in the next class. That's all for this podcast number 2. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for these students as well. I hope you would have enjoyed it. If you still have any doubt or any question, if you want some other videos on different topics, make sure to comment down below. And how did you like this video? How did you like the conversation entirely? Comment down below so that can boost the confidence of these two students as well. We'll see you in the next video with a new energy and with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Take care.